Hey YouTube, this thing here just came in the mail. It's a Bravo concealment holster for this Sig Sauer P320 X compact. You can tell it's the X compact and has a flat trigger and it's a compact model. Let's rip this open and see what it looks like. Here we have a sales receipt. Nothing else in the bag. The holster comes wrapped up in this little bag. It comes with a magazine holder, which is pretty cool. Don't know if I'd ever use it or not. And here's a right-handed holster. Oh my goodness, this thing fits perfectly right off the bat. Wow. Talk about a good fit holster. This little holster is pretty cool. It's made from a decent size Kydex, a decent thickness Kydex, and this gun just fits perfectly in it. This is fully loaded and it just doesn't move, and it comes out really nice and easily. It has these two belt loops in there that should make holding onto your belt pretty good. Let's go ahead and give this a try and see how it feels. So this thing should slip on pretty easily. Sticks out a little bit in the back. Maybe if I move it forward a little bit, there we go. Oh my gosh, this thing's comfortable. Conceals pretty well. Don't really see it. This is a pretty big gun, even though it's a compact. This is a pretty big gun. Doesn't show very much under a t-shirt. Really like this holster. Gonna carry it around and then do a review after I carried it around for a little bit. This is just a short video. I hope you like it. If you do, hit subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.